Welcome to Pune LPG plant. Pune LPG plant is located in Sanaswadi village in the district of Pune, the cultural and educational capital of Maharashtra. Pune LPG plant, spread across 34.47 acres of land, embarked on its journey on 6 April 2004 and caters to 20 lakh happy customers. Plant operates in 2 shifts for 365 days. Total 22 number of DGR security guards are staffed at critical positions 24/7 to maintain the discipline and security of plant. Approximately 200 number of contract laborers manage the bottling, tank lorry loading and utility operations. Individuals entering plant premises undergoes through frisking at main gate. To avoid physical contact, face recognition system installed for real-time monitoring of contract workers, drivers and officers in license and de-license area. Centralized access control system verifies each vehicle and driver in database by face recognition and UHF tag reader. Boom barrier allows to enter only verified vehicles through main gate. Security guards check spark arrestor, driving license, fitness certificates, fire extinguishers. Entire plant is under surveillance of 38 number of CCTVs which are monitored by security staff 24/7. Security guard on counting platform counts cylinders in each truck. After counting, packed truck move towards unloading shed, where driver turn off the vehicle and cut off the master switch. Cylinders are unloaded on telescopic boom which moves along the chain conveyor towards washing unit. Vision unit captures tare weight of cylinders through air cameras. In India, only Pune LPG plant is equipped with the latest 48-station flexi-speed carousel which fills 48 number of 14.2 kg cylinders in 52 seconds. Cylinders undergo quality checks for valve leak and O-ring leak. Old and BLD machines are onboarded in Iris portal to ensure quality of cylinders. After checking, cylinder move towards capping station. In test bath, cylinders are checked for bung and body leakages. Cylinders are sealed with hot air sealing machine. 2% SQC carried out for every truck. Healthy cylinders are loaded in trucks. Around 230 packed trucks are dispatched every day to cater to the demand of Pune and Ahmednagar districts. Commercial shed is dedicated for filling of 35 kg, 47.5 kg and 422 kg HIPPO cylinders. Every day more than 100 HIPPO cylinders are filled and dispatched to meet industrial demand.
During the calendar year 2021, overall production of Pune LPG plant has increased by 3% in 2022. Pune's highest bottling plant in Western region and the third highest bottling plant pan-India.
Pune LPG plant has an in-house pressure testing unit which facilitates repairing of TPT cylinders. Their activities such as depressurization, degassing, hydro testing, application of primer and paint carried out. About 1800 cylinders are tested on a daily basis. Pune plant has a total LPG storage capacity of 3,900 metric ton.
Pune is also nodal bulk center,
facilitating bulk lorry loading for nearby LPG plants such as Solapur, Cherlapalli and Bai. Tank lorry loading operation is fully automated through PLC, which has increased the safety standards of bulk loading at Pune plant. In 2022, total 169.56 thousand metric ton was dispatched by road to nearby plants. LPG pump house is heart of LPG plant. Pune plant has two horizontal pump of capacity 45 meter cube per hour, two vertical barrel filling pump of 120 meter cube per hour and two vertical barrel loading pump of 150 meter cube per hour.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम शाहरुख रशीद खान है। मैं इस प्लांट में पिछले 5 सालों से काम कर रहा हूँ। यहाँ पर हम काम के अलावा अलग अलग तरीके के कंपटीशन अरेंज कराते हैं और उसमें हम लोग सभी मिलजुल कर भाग लेते हैं। इधर हम एक फैमिली की तरह रहते भी हैं और काम भी करते हैं। हमारे प्लांट का जो क्लाइमेट है वो बहुत अच्छा है और कल्चर भी बहुत शानदार है, इसलिए मुझे इस प्लांट में काम करने के लिए बहुत मज़ा आता है। धन्यवाद।
Air compressor house provides pressurized air for pneumatic operation in filling shed. There are two air compressors of capacity 350 cfm and one of 285 cfm.
To handle emergency, PLC-based firefighting system of plant is always kept in auto mode. 3 fire engines, each of 661 kl per hour capacity, are always ready to mitigate fire emergency.
To recycle wastewater, 8 pen STP plants of capacity 20 kl per day and 15 kl per day are used on daily basis. Approximately 200 kl of water is recycled in a month, which is used for horticulture purposes. 55 kilowatt capacity solar panels are generating approximately 5,000 units per month, which is resulting in net saving of 5,000 per month in electricity bill. Diesel generator of 810 kV ampere is always in auto mode for power backup. In 2022, we have disposed
We have earned 3.72 crores from scrap disposal. We had also disposed 3.35 metric ton hazardous waste of paint, sludge and used oil.
Pune LPG plant conforms to all statutory compliances such as labor license, factory license, PESO license renewal, SPCB consent, stamping certificates, VHF license, etc. His activities such as blood donation camp were conducted where 51 staff and contract staff donated blood for noble cause. Health is wealth and well-being of staff is our utter importance. At Pune organized regular health checkup camps for all our workmen/drivers, Yoga Day, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, tree plantation, Nukkad Natak on safety awareness conducted at location with active participation from all stakeholders. Safety first, safety must, a mantra that we follow to heart at Pune LPG plant and religiously conduct frequent and systematic training of workmen, such as first aid training, firefighting training to security guard and contract laborers. Basic LPG training to mechanics and delivery boys of Pune and Nagar district, training to NDRF team, bomb threat drills, quiz competitions. Pune LPG plant received 3 awards for excellence in maintenance cost, excellence in productivity and operation excellence runner-up in Western region, which were celebrated with entire team from contract laborers to security guards. We also celebrate birthdays, highest bottling record, local festivals, national holidays with entire team. These activities have helped build a strong team spirit
In 2022, more than 750 number of tree plantation carried out, which resulted in carbon sequestration of 8,397 kg.
To reduce stress and strengthen bond, we conduct indoor and outdoor sports activities such as volleyball, cricket, tug of war, carom, chess, etc.
Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Anand Khargaonkar, working at Bharat Gas Pune LPG plant with 4 years of experience. This dynamic company culture where employees are eager to succeed. Individuals are motivated and has a lot of company pride. The work environment is vibrant. Employees are more than just a co-workers. Individuals treat each other with respect and kindness, and the company encourages meaningful interactions between colleagues. This company culture is closely tied to the organization's mission. Leadership has a clear objective on how to make an impact in society and use it to motivate employees. Individuals see values in their work and are eager to do well in their role. Working in this role, I will be empowered by the company's long-term objective. This is a company culture that will encourages we to do a think deeply. The office is probably boisterous with environment at Bharat Petroleum are positive, moving with innovations and healthy collaborations. While we work together to deliver utmost delight and values of customers, our processes are designed to facilitate quality at all aspects.